Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for content writing. We'll begin by setting up your WordPress site and selecting a suitable theme. Next, I'll guide you through understanding the dashboard and configuring essential settings. Finally, you'll learn how to create your very first post or page, ensuring your content is ready to go. Let's dive in and get started with the fundamentals. Now, let's focus on crafting compelling content. We'll explore the powerful block editor, showing you how to use various blocks for text, images, and more. You'll discover how to easily add images and videos to make your posts visually appealing and engaging. Plus, we'll cover formatting text with headings and lists to ensure your content is clear and easy to read for your audience. With your content created, it's time to optimize and publish. We'll discuss how to optimize your posts for search engines by strategically using keywords, helping more people find your work. You'll also learn to categorize and tag your content effectively for better organization and navigation. Finally, I'll show you how to confidently schedule or publish your content to go live. To take your content writing further, let's look at some advanced tips. We'll explore useful plugins that can extend your WordPress site's functionality, from SEO tools to security enhancements. You'll also learn how to review site analytics to understand your audience's behavior and improve your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep creating amazing content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.